Hello class, in this video I'll be doing another example on how to find the slope and the y-intercept of a line that is not in slope-intercept form and graph that line. Let's begin. So we want to graph the line x is equal to 4. And in order to do that, we need to know the slope of the line and the y-intercept of this line. So I'm going to start by writing the line down and noticing that there is no y variable in this equation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract x from both sides. And I have 0 is equal to negative x plus 4. And we can write 0 as 0y. So I can write this as 0y is equal to negative x plus 4. Okay, so now I'm going to do something that we normally can't do. We cannot divide by 0. So what happens here is if we try to divide by 0, notice that every term becomes undefined. So the negative x divided by 0 is actually negative 1 divided by x times 0, which is undefined. So the slope in this case is undefined. And we found it to be negative 1 divided by 0, which means that between each point there is no horizontal change. And I'm just going to put the negative 1 up top. Okay, as for the y-intercept, notice that 4 divided by 0 is also undefined. So we can conclude that there is no y-intercept. Okay, so how do we possibly graph a line that has undefined slope and no y-intercept? Well, let's go back to the original equation. We know that y is equal to 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a point at 4, 0. Now, to find another point, we have to realize that there's no horizontal change. So each point is either going to be directly above the given point or directly below the given point on the same vertical line. So x is equal to 4 is a vertical line that passes through the point 4, 0. And we are done.